I'm Amisha. I'm 24 years old. I live in Bhopal and my interests are computer science and astronomy. I'm actually not doing much. I'm in the middle of planning my journey to Ireland, which iCounselor facilitated. iCounselor played a big part. I had been planning to go outside for many years. I think 2018 se plan tha mera, and something kept happening. It got delayed for some reason or the other. फिर COVID हो गया, so I just decided to give up on my bachelor's outside, and फिर मैंने यहीं पे करना start कर दिया. And I thought कि bachelor's के बाद चले जाऊँगे. Then again, the plan got delayed, and I had issues and like personal issues. So I found iCounselor. My family people know about them. They had also helped a friend of mine go to Spain with a successful visa. So I had trust. Then I visited them, and they told me I told them my problems, and they really understood, which was rare because before them I had tried other counselors and they were quite dismissive. So मैंने उन्हें बताया कि I need a very particular type of financial planning and I need scholarship, and उसके बिना I can't do it. So they were very understanding. They laid out a plan for me, and before coming at iCounselor, I didn't even know कि जैसा मैं plan कर रही हूँ कि मैं full scholarship में चली जाऊँ, या even if it's like just 50% scholarship. I didn't think I was like worthy of that because I didn't think I'm that good. But coming there, the counselors over there, they made me realize how I can actually do it. So through patience and their hard work as well, they said ki let's plan to let you apply for the GOI scholarship. So the GOI-IS scholarship is the Government of Ireland scholarship, and it basically waivers off your entire tuition fees, doesn't matter how much it is, and then for 1 year it gives you 10,000 euros of a stipend. That was basically like the dream, and I didn't think I could get it. Even then I was making backup plans, but iCounselor told me that you don't need to, you'll get it. And they kept believing in me even when I did not. So I decided to apply for those scholarships, which they helped with as well. मेरी essays लिखने में सारी उन्हें, they explained everything to me, what they're looking for, वगैरह. And I wrote it, sent it, but I still didn't think I would get it. So I made backup plans as well. And they kept telling me, they didn't stop me, by the way, from making backup plans, but they were like, you won't need it. So फिर भी like, foolishly I didn't believe them. Fast forward, I got my result in June, and I was one of 60 people out of 5,800 people who got the scholarship, and it's like a big honor which I wouldn't have gotten without iCounselor's help. Like besides the obvious, like obviously you should study well, I would say plan beforehand. I mean like 1 year before you should start planning, and find good consultants, because I actually know many people जिनका visa reject हुआ है because they made a lot of mistakes, silly mistakes, like maybe they wrote the wrong thing in their SOP, yeah, they forgot a document, बहुत simple सा document, or they come very late sometimes and सारे documents arrange नहीं हो पाते. For example, the PCC, जिसको at least 15-20 दिन लगते हैं आने में, which is the police clearance certificate, and वो at least Ireland के visa में वो डलता ही है. If you don't put it in, it gets rejected. All of this I didn't know. मुझे ये सब iCounselor ने बताया. And like I said, पहले जो मेरे consultants थे, first of all, they were taking high fees. They wouldn't understand my case. So plan ahead and find very good experienced consultants, जो iCounselor are, because they have been doing this for decades now. I would say what applies to my journey a lot, like because I was very stressed, and even though iCounselor really helped me with my stresses, I couldn't help it. So I used to read a lot of inspirational stuff. Out of the many I read, I would say Rumi ka quote, what you seek is seeking you. So I kept believing in that, because I want this, I have wanted this for so long, and because I love science so much and I want to study science and pursue it, I think it is also seeking me. So I think everyone should believe that. I wouldn't say I chose Ireland, Ireland chose me. Because when I came to iCounselor, I was very lost. Like I had a few ideas कि मुझे Europe में जाना है, and I thought कि Germany is the right place. Sweden's good for IT. So I thought I can go there, but I didn't know कि मैं वहाँ कैसे जाऊँगी, मेरी profile सही है कि नहीं. And when I came to iCounselor, they suggested that if you do want to go into science, research, IT वगैरह, Ireland is very good for that. So that's how Ireland found me. I want to travel. I'm really looking forward to the traveling. I want to see how different their education system is. I'm really excited to talk to the professors because they are all researchers there. They have done researches. They have research programs at SETU, which is the university I'm going, Southeast Technological University, Carlo. So I'm very excited for that. I'm actually most excited about the traveling because Ireland is such a beautiful country. I'm a big fan of fantasy, so like medieval fantasy, elves, etc. And all of that lore comes from Ireland. So I can't wait to go to the places that inspired those stories. I think I'm scared that I'll give up. I don't want to give up. So if things get hard, I want to keep going. So I'm not scared of things getting hard. I just don't want to give up when they get hard. I'd say number one is planning. Definitely plan 1 year ahead. I'm not saying कि 1 साल के बाद अगर आप जाना चाहो तो नहीं हो पाएगा. It'll just be more hurdles, more stressful. जितना time दे सकते हो उतना time दो. Second, do your research and talk to people who know what they're talking about. Keep an eye out for scammers, like counselors. जैसे I counselor didn't ask me for the fees. उससे मेरा काफ़ी like I had a faith because बाकी counselors जो थे they kept asking me for fees before they even gave me any tips or advice. So be careful about that. Choose what you can study because the education system outside is very different from the education system in India, and we are used to just reading and studying. Ratta laga liya, exam de diya, ho gaya. But that's not going to help you outside. So choose to study what you're actually interested in and what you can do as a job आगे जाकर. It has because बाहर सारी पढ़ाई practical based होती है. So fourth would be keep your grades good. I'm not saying कि topper बनो, but the better your grades, the easier your journey would be. Not only because आपको financials में कम लगेगा, but the universities will treat you better. Like because of my scholarship, I'll be the ambassador, one of the ambassadors of SETU, and that comes with different privileges as well. And you'll be representing your university on an international level and national level. Ireland doesn't take any interviews. The visa is the only thing most of the time that they require. If they have a doubt in your application, they will call, which I didn't get. I didn't even get an employer's call. Mostly मेरे financials में कुछ था नहीं. Mostly problem visa में financials में आती है. If you are not clear, if you maybe there's some problem in your bank statement, if you didn't opt for check and verify, तो आपको calls आ सकते हैं. Irish visa is much easier than other places. Actually, I wouldn't say just one person was my biggest support system. People at iCounselor definitely. Whenever I had a question, I would just run to them and ask them questions and they would clear it. My parents, because of how stressed I was, I actually got closer to my parents through this entire, and my sister. And then my best friend and my partner. So I would just say keep your friends and family close. Whenever you're stressed about something, try to calm yourself and talk to the people who care for you. I think the best part was me realizing my worth. When I had come to iCounselor, I had come to them over a year ago now. I had come in May or June 2023. I had no confidence. I thought ये होगा भी नहीं. मैं बस तुक्का मार रही थी कि इन लोगों ने बोला है जाके बात कर लो उनसे तो मैं कर लेती हूँ जाके बात. I went and talked to them and I actually realized how much I can achieve and how easy it can be. Because I didn't think my grades are that good. मैं college में topper वगैरह नहीं थी. Like I used to come third या fourth, but I wasn't top of the class. मुझे लगता था जिनका 9 के ऊपर CGPA आता है उन्हीं को scholarship मिलेगी, या कुछ universities हैं जो एक threshold होता है उसके ऊपर नहीं लाने देती किसी को admission. So I thought कि I'll just have to settle with anything जो भी आएगा. But इतने टाइम तक बात करके iCounselor से I realized कि I'm actually better than I thought, and they gave me confidence. And they also made me learn patience because मेरा plan इतनी बार cancel हो गया था. I used to keep thinking कि अभी नहीं हुआ तो कभी नहीं होएगा, and whenever there was a hurdle I used to think that's the end. But through their help and advice, like they didn't just help me with my application, they helped me with my stress as well, you know. So through them I learned कि I can just relax and things will work out, and that was very different because I used to be a very anxious person. And after talking to them and everything, I think their attitude in me changed and I started believing in myself more. So GOI IES stands for the Government of Ireland Scholarship, and it's focused on giving international students the opportunity to study in Ireland for absolutely free. Okay? The application doesn't cost anything, and if you win it, you get a stipend of 10,000 euros for a year. Even if your course is of 4 years, you'll only get it for a year, and your entire tuition fees for 1 year is waived off. So it gives opportunities to high-ranking individuals, accomplished people, लोग जिनने charity work ज़्यादा किया है, who have focused on their field, who show potential कि आगे जाके they will contribute not only to Ireland but also their home country. उन लोगों को ये scholarship दी जाती है. So people who are very active in their field of work, in their community, society के beneficial के लिए काम करते हैं, उन लोगों को ये scholarship मिलती है. So there's no documentation required, but you just have to write 3 essays, talk about your work experience, give 2 very good references because they do contact the references sometimes. मेरे में नहीं किया था, कुछ लोगों के में किया था. So make sure the references are people who know you, who remember आपने क्या काम किया था. And that's it. You just have to be very careful with your essays because जो essays होती हैं that's marked. I think 3 essays होती हैं. That's how it's marked. In the essays, first question will be about why you think you deserve the GOI scholarship. So उसमें you should always answer not like I got this many marks and I did this and I achieved that. You should mention it, but your main focus should be because I achieved all of this, मैं इससे आयरलैंड को कैसे हेल्प कर सकती हूँ, इंडिया की कैसे हेल्प कर सकती हूँ, हाउ आई कैन मेक द रिलेशंस बिटवीन आयरलैंड एंड इंडिया बेटर. दैट्स व्हाट दे वांट. वो वर्ल्ड वाइड लोगों को इसलिए बुला रहे हैं बिकॉज दे वांट हर कंट्री से आयरलैंड का रिलेशन बेटर करना. सो यू हैव टू बी समवन हु कैन कंट्रीब्यूट टू बोथ कंट्रीज एंड don't focus just on Ireland, don't focus just on India or whatever country you're from. Tips I would have for the essay is back up everything you're saying with real experience. आपने अगर कभी किसी वर्कशॉप को ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करा, so don't say I will organize workshops because they know you're lying. Okay, even if you might learn that skill, it doesn't seem realistic कि आपने कभी वर्कशॉप अटेंड नहीं करी, कभी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करी, you weren't even a part of that. So this is just an example. Say you're going to promote the GOI scholarship by what you've already done. So for example, मेरा एक बहुत popular educational blog था, तो मैंने ये बोला कि मैं उस blog की I had thousands of followers. So they knew if I say कि मैं उस blog पे GOI को promote करूँगी, I can actually do it because I've done it. So be realistic about whatever you say because they will ask you in the essays कि आप promote कैसे करोगे GOI को and Ireland को. I'm studying to be a data scientist, which means that I will create algorithms and programs to process data and analyze it to create models जिससे we can come to real world conclusions. जैसे for example, so the problem with astronomy, which is the field I want to go to, is कि data बहुत सारा होता है, बहुत सारा, like terabytes over terabytes में data होता है, ठीक है. तो उसको process करना is very difficult क्योंकि वो बहुत सारी information है, एक single इंसान बैठ के उसको नहीं कर सकता. तो उसको छाटना कैसे, आप उसको छाट कर कंक्लूजन्स कैसे ड्रॉ करोगे, एक्सप्लेन कैसे करोगे लोगों को, एंड हाउ विल इंजीनियर्स यूज दैट इंफॉर्मेशन टू क्रिएट फ्यूचर, आई डोंट नो, फॉर एग्जांपल टेक्नोलॉजी और मशीनरी टू गो इनटू स्पेस. You must know about how we are going to live on the moon in a few years or we are planning to settle on Mars वगैरह. तो उसके लिए we need a lot of information about the moon, Mars, उसके वहाँ तक जाने में जो एरिया है उसमें कितनी हर्डल्स आ सकती हैं, कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं वहाँ पे, what all will affect us. There's a lot of information. तो उन सब को एनालाइज करना is a very very big deal. So data science में एक field है astroinformatics, which combines astronomy and data science. Because astroinformatics is still an upcoming thing, means कि पहली बात लोग इतने नहीं हैं उस field में. So you have a lot of scope if you do pursue astroinformatics. You'll be one of the very few people. The competition will be less. ठीक है. फिर secondly, because we are planning to move into outer space, it's just going to keep growing because this is an upcoming market. So if you study data science and go into astroinformatics, it means कि you have knowledge and experience from, because whenever you go into a job, people look for experience, right? तो आप अगर अभी से इस चीज़ में experience लोगे, you will be more experienced with people who will start studying it when it's at its peak. And even AI has started peaking now, but it's not at its peak yet. So आप अभी से अगर AI करना start करोगे, which is also a part of ML and data science, people keep saying that AI is going to rule the world, right? and even though I don't believe it will rule the world, it's going to replace a lot of things. तो आप अगर अभी से AI पढ़ना start करते हो, ML, data science वगैरह, you'll be able to create a more ethical way, and before AI actually takes over. So scope is in AI, it's in ML, it is in astroinformatics as well, and related data science field, of course, finance will always be at the peak. So I want to thank iCounselor, without whom I would actually not be here, because like I said, I didn't know what to do, but I just had a dream. I didn't know how to do it, and iCounselor showed me the steps and led me to the destination. So I will never forget their help. Thank you.